Sick leave does not form part of the annual leave, does not form part of the compassionate leave, does not form part of the maternity leave, and neither does it form part of additional payment upon termination of services. Doesn't matter who terminates. But on termination, obviously you'll be entitled to outstanding leave days and so forth. Depends on the company policy on what it provides for. But anyway, that's a topic also for another day. But today I'm strictly talking about sick leave strictly. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Biatha, BIANCA-LET'S talk. Today we are talking strictly on sick leave, and it's very interesting how this topic came about because Kofi Olomide from Congo is in town, and somebody contacted me asking, hey Monday, can I not go to work on Monday because Kofi is around and I want to drink the hell out. But anyway, that was a joke, but then it caught my attention because most people you find, they have this misconception to say, I'm gonna be sick on Monday or I'm gonna be sick on Friday. And in Namibia or any other country, I believe you would find there are rules when it comes to abuse of sick leave. So most people have a tendency of, on Friday I'm going to get sick so that I can travel. Careful, if you are caught by the employers, that's a serious offense. And also others would find on Monday, after chilling over the weekend, like the way Kofi is around, you chill, you drink, you get sick because of drinking or partying, and then the following Monday you say you are sick and you can go to work. Now, if you have to check, sick leave in Namibia is governed in terms of Section 24 of the Labour Act. And under Section 24, it guides on how many sick leave days an individual is entitled to. So in terms of Section 24(1), you would find on under A, it will give you, if you are a 5-day work employee, you work for 5 days, then in a week, then at least you are entitled to not less than 30 days. And then if you work 6 days in a week, at least you are entitled to not less than 36 leave days. Now, careful with the calculation, because don't think this is per month or per year. You know, you are given a certain period of time, either 2 years or 3 years. So if you exhaust your sick leave in that period that you are given, you realize that the company is entitled not to pay you. So going a little bit, few steps backwards, when I was talking about being sick and then you're not going to work because it's a Monday, it's a Friday, or whatever the case may be. If, let's say you are sick for more than 2 days, but in terms of the Labour Act, it provides for 2 days, and then after 2 days, you are expected to produce sick leave. Some companies, they have a policy whereby if you're absent from work for more than a day, so that is 2, 3, 4, you're entitled to produce a sick leave. First, you find you're entitled to communicate and say this is the situation. And then your failure to communicate may lead to you being subjected to a disciplinary hearing because you've not followed the procedures of the company and so forth. So it's also cardinal to understand the procedure of the company when it comes to governing sick leave. And also you would find that some companies would expect you to not be sick on Friday or not be sick on Monday, but obviously sick you don't plan it. This is why it's not like annual compassionate or whatever. Even compassionate you don't plan, but sick leave you don't plan, you just get sick. So you'd realize that you'd be expected to produce medical proof that you were sick if it's more than a day, or if maybe it happens on a Friday or a Monday. But there it's a little bit flexible, but just try to understand the policy of the company, what it provides for. But then in terms of the Labour Act, if you are sick for more than 2 days, you are expected to have proof. Now, if you fail to provide proof for the period of time when you were sick, which is more than 2 days in terms of the Labour Act, and if your policy provides for just a day, you fail to produce proof, the company can decide not to pay you. The Labour Act also provides for that. The company can decide not to pay you, or the company may decide to subject you to the disciplinary hearing. Depends on the policy what it provides for. But the Act gives powers to the employer not to pay you if you are absent from work for a period of more than 2 days. And if you provide proof and then the employer does not pay you, then that's a problem on the employer side, because now they would be acting against the law. And also, if let's say you've exhausted all your sick leave, we are having Social Security which can pay you, or those ones who go on maternity, and that's another topic for another day. So if let's say you've exhausted all your sick leave, and you continue being sick, you'd find Social Security may chip in during the period of time when the company is not paying you because you are on sick leave, you are off, and you've exhausted all your sick leave days that are there. But in brief, that is just the short part on sick leave that I wanted to discuss with my viewers and those ones who are interested. Please take care of yourselves and ensure that you do the right thing before you go on sick leave. So subscribe, hit the notification button, follow, leave your comment, let me know what you want me to discuss about. And in addition to that, I will try by all means to be posting at least a video every week for my subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much. Bye.